All right, let's do one more quick look out on our breaking news real quick. We want to check back in. Dustin Stone flying Sky News 6 above that tanker crash that's down there, tanker fire. Actually, we don't know if it crashed or not, but the fire departments are on the scene. Dustin, we got about 15 seconds.
That's right, Leanne. The fire departments have since got fire hydrants hooked up where they're actually able to put a lot more water on it. You can see here that it's a lot of white smoke and the flames have pretty much gone out by now, but they're still fighting it.
Appreciate it. We'll continue to monitor that breaking news. We'll have updates on our website at newson6.com, also on our News on 6 app.